Safety First 3-Piece Oral Care Kit by Safety First is one of the best sellers among baby toothbrushes products. Tested for safety and durability. Made using high-quality materials. The most innovative designs and manufacturing processes. Fingertip toothbrush with case. Dual-sided infant gum stimulator and toothbrush. Roll-proof toothbrush. Just the right size toothbrush head. Ergonomic design for a better grip for generations of parents and children. Darl Juvenile Group's well-recognized brands, Safety First, Costco Juvenile, Quinny, Maxi Colcien, most recently Baby Art, have set the standard in safety, innovation, design and value, offering award-winning car seats, strollers, play yards, high chairs, infant health and home safety products and more. DJG USA, a division of Montreal-based Darl Industries, TSX, DIB, DIA, also manufactures a full line of Eddie Bauer brand and Disney brand car seats, play yards and travel products. With so many sought-after brands and products, Darl is the largest juvenile products manufacturer in its categories in the world today and the global leader in the design and manufacture of car seats, selling more than 8 million seats each year. Give your little one the gift of healthy teeth and gums with the 3-piece oral care set by Safety First. Soothe and stimulate your baby's developing gums with the infant toothbrush and gum stimulator, then transition to the toddler toothbrush to brush sensitive new teeth.